Introducing Diamond Coat 5D Building Wrap, the three-dimensional building wrap with 5 dimensions of protection. A typical residential wall system consists of insulated stud framing with drywall and a vapor control layer on the inside, sheathing, building wrap, and siding on the outside. Diamond Coat 5D Building Wrap protects a home from wind, rain, and water vapor on 5 different dimensions: deflection, drainage, drying, diffusion, and durability. Wind blowing against the side of your wall could result in air getting from the outside to the inside. If this happens, the insulation inside the wall can't do its job as well. Diamond Coat 5D Building Wrap deflects the wind, resulting in reduced heating and cooling costs. Moisture, in the form of wind-driven rain and snow, will find its way through the siding. Diamond Coat 5D Building Wrap protects the wall system from moisture infiltration by deflecting water away from the inside of the wall system. Diamond Coat 5D Building Wrap features 3-dimensional drainage channels, so water moves down and safely out of the wall, keeping the insulation R value high while reducing the risk of rot and mold. All air contains water vapor, which is essentially tiny little water molecules in the air. The molecules always move from the warmer side of the wall to the colder side. During colder months, when vapor moves into the wall system, it condenses into water, which reduces the R value and increases the potential for mold growth and rot. Diamond Coat 5D Building Wrap allows vapor to pass through while deflecting wind and moisture. Water vapor molecules are far smaller than air molecules and water molecules. Microscopic holes in the fabric membrane allow water vapor to pass through, but the holes are so small that air and water molecules cannot pass through. The relative ease that vapor molecules can pass through a material is measured using a PERM rating. During the colder months, we want the vapor from the interior to escape. However, during the warmer months, the vapor will try to pass from the outside to the inside. In this case, we need a lower PERM rating so that the water vapor doesn't come into the wall and cause damage. Experts recommend a PERM rating of between 10 and 20 for best all-around performance. Diamond Coat 5D Building Wrap has an ideal PERM rating of 16, which strikes the optimum balance between limiting vapor transmission in the summer and allowing vapor to escape in the winter months. It is also important to note that all drainable barriers are not the same. Most are compressible, which means during the construction process the drainage plane can become flattened and rendered less effective. Diamond Coat 5D Building Wrap's drainage plane is non-compressible and is approved for use under all Diamond Coat siding products. Diamond Coat 5D Building Wrap has a high resistance to tearing and can be fastened with plastic cap nails, galvanized roofing nails, or crown staples. It is approved for most commercial grade applications and has a 6-month UV exposure rating. Get the most out of the weather-resistive barrier on your next project and get 5 dimensions of protection from Diamond Coat 5D Building Wrap. For more information, visit diamondcoatsiding.com.